Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to put text over an image in Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. This is a simple but powerful design trick you can use for posters, thumbnails, lesson slides, title pages, and any project where you want bold text sitting clearly on top of a photo. So first, open your browser, go to google.com, sign in, and open Google Slides. When your dashboard loads, start with a blank slide so you have a clean workspace. Next, insert your image by clicking Insert and choosing Image. Upload from your computer or choose something from Google Drive or Google Photos. Resize the picture to fill the slide or place it wherever you want it. Now click Insert again and choose Text Box. Type your headline, title, or caption directly on top of the image. You can move the text around freely until it fits the design. If the text is hard to read, there are a few easy adjustments you can make. Try changing the text color to white or black, make the font bold, or increase the font size. These quick changes usually fix readability instantly. But if you want a cleaner, more professional look, use a transparent overlay. Insert a rectangle shape, stretch it behind your text, remove the border, and adjust the fill color transparency. This adds a soft, modern background that makes your text pop without blocking the image. Another option is to make the actual image lighter. Click the picture, open Format Options, and use the transparency slider to fade it slightly. This is perfect for title slides or quotes where the text needs to stand out more than the picture. If you don't want the image to move around while you edit, you can export the slide as a PNG and set it as your background. Then place text on top of the locked image. And that's it. That's how to put text over an image in Google Slides using the 2026 method. With overlays, transparency, and clean formatting, you can design beautiful slides in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in